our daily life, we often need to move heavy objects, whether it's lifting furniture, pushing a shopping cart, or even carrying groceries. But have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scene in terms of physics? This case study explores the fundamental concept of mechanics, work, energy, and power to better understand how force help us accomplish such tasks. What is work, energy, and power? Work is done when a force is applied to an object, causing it to move in the direction of the force. The formula for work is W equal to F multiplied with S and multiplied with cos theta. The second one is energy. The energy of body is measure of the capacity which the body has to do work. And the last one is power. Power is a measure of the rate at which work is being done. The formula for power is W divided with T.
Based on the video, the study aimed to analyze the physical effort exerted by two individuals, Haziq and Afif, while climbing an inclined staircase under time. Consider the goal is to understand the relationship between mass, force, work, and power in real-life scenarios. Next is the case study. The case study shows Haziq and Afif are on their way to the class to sit for their MAT272 test. They are on rush and had to run quickly. Haziq and Afif run up a staircase with a vertical height of 2.56 meter and inclination angle of 40 degree. Haziq with a mass of 70 kg taking him 2.9 seconds to reach the top. Meanwhile, Afif with a mass of 100 kg climbed the same staircase in 3 seconds.
Since we have discussed the case study, we can arise some questions to be solved in the case. There are 3 questions which are A. Find the force exerted by each person, Haziq and Afif, while climbing in the inclined plane at a uniform speed. B. After get the force, what is the total work done by Haziq and Afif in climbing the staircase? And C. Find the average power output of each person, which is Haziq and Afif, during their climb up the staircase.
So, from the question, a person A was 17 kg, and to find force equal to mass times gravity. So 70 times 9.81 equal to force 686.7 Newton. However, the person B was 100 kg. So 100 times 9.81 equal to 981 Newton force.
In our analysis of work done while climbing the staircase, Haziq, who weighs 70 kilograms, exerted a force of 686.7 newtons to move a distance of 2.56 meters along the inclined plane. Using the formula, work equals force multiplied by displacement multiplied by the cosine of the angle theta, where the angle of inclination is 40 degrees. The total work done by Haziq is calculated as 686.7 multiplied by 2.56 multiplied by the cosine of 40 degrees, which results in 1346.67 joules. Similarly, Afif, who has a mass of 100 kilograms, exerted a greater force of 981 newtons over the same distance of 2.56 meters. Applying the same formula, the total work done by Afif is 981 multiplied by 2.56 multiplied by the cosine of 40 degrees, which amounts to 1923.81 joules. This analysis demonstrates that Afif, having a greater mass, perform more work compared to Haziq, as work is directly influenced by force, displacement, and the angle of movement.
Yeah, that's right. Now we need to count the power, where the power was work divided by time. So the person A with a work of 1346.67 joule, and the time he need to run upstairs was 2.9 seconds. So 1346.67 divided by 2.9. So the power we got for person A was 464.369 watt. However, the person B that need work of 1923.813 joule and need time of 3 seconds. So 1923.813 divided by 3. So the power we got for the person A was 641.271 watt. So as a result, we got force of Haziq was 686.7 Newton. However, Afif is 981 Newton. And work we got is Haziq equal to 1346.67 joule. And Afif we got 1923.813 joule. The power we got for Haziq is 464.369 watt, and Afif we got 641.271 watt.
In our study, we found that Haziq exerted a force of 686.7 Newton, while Afif exerted 981 Newton, demonstrating that force is directly proportional to mass. When it comes to work done, Haziq performed 1346.67 joules, whereas Afif performed 1923.81 joules. Since the work is determined by the force applied, the distance covered, and the angle of movement. In terms of power output, Haziq generated an average of 464.37 watts, while Afif produced 641.27 watts, highlighting that power is the rate at which work is done over time. Overall, Afif exerted more force, performed more work, and generated higher power compared to Haziq, which can be attributed to his greater mass, even though he took slightly more time to complete the task.